I pretend that I'm glad you went away. This forward closing more every day, and I'm dying inside, and nobody knows it's but me. Like a clown, I put on a show. The pain is real, even if nobody knows. And I'm crying inside, and nobody knows it's but me. Why didn't I say the thing I need to say? How could I let my angel get away? Now my world is just a tumbling down. I can see it so clear, but you're nowhere around. The nights are lonely, the days are so sad. I just keep thinking about the love that we had, and I'm missing you, and nobody knows but me.